afternoon, friends. I thought I would come on and do a bit of a test with my new camera. Apologies for the voice. I've been sick pretty much all week, so I thought I would come on and just show you what plans I have for December Daily this year. So I bought this 6x8 scrapbook.com album. It's a 2-ring, and I bought scrapbook.com page protectors. I think there might be a few other ones in here, like Echo Park or whatever, but basically most of the supplies are scrapbook.com. So I've already got a few of the pages laid out and a sort of plan in place. And as you can see, I got organizing, and I got a little bit ahead of myself this year. I always do. This time of year is usually when I start getting excited for December Daily, and I break out all of my December-y supplies. So my color scheme this year is going to be black, white, red, gold. And I've been toying with putting some pink in here. I'm not sure. There will be a little bit of green as well. A lot of these supplies came straight from my DIY December Daily kit from 2021. This page I really like, but as you can see, it floats in this page protector, so I probably won't use it. If I do use it, I might just kind of pull it out and have it be all by itself. If you're struggling with December Daily and making some plans, one of the things I recommend is make a Pinterest board and then just start printing out your little ideas on little cards, preferably 3x4 cards or smaller, that you can then put in the different parts of the album that you think are going to be kind of where things are going to land. I keep those little sketches in my kit. And as you can see, some of these are sketches from last year. Some are brand new. And yeah, this is kind of where I'm at. Based on how chunky last year's album was, I decided to try to do 1 page per day. So like 1 side per day. So this will be day 1. Well, no, actually, that's going to be my... Well, no, that'll be my day 1. Or maybe this will be day 1, day 2. Yeah, I think that's what I had planned. Day 1, day 2. And basically lay it out that way. And then that way, days that you have a lot more pictures, you've got room for them, rather than having this whole spread be day 1. Which I think was kind of the problem I ran into last year and the year before. Because I like to do pocket pages, it makes it really easy to do a lot. And I think I want to stretch things out a little bit this year. So that's kind of where I'm at. Stay tuned. I will be pulling out my kit and just kind of showing you how I used last year's kit to create a brand new kit and how I'm organizing it. So stay tuned for that video, probably tomorrow. Hoping that my nose and my voice sound a little bit better tomorrow. So, as always, thanks for coming to hang out with me, and I will see you next video. Bye for now.